Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third, no, it's the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 8th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's now time for this one, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9056. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 9 printed digits. Should be a hard one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 9 printed digits. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? See here, dual box, there, dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here only 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 4 in the same area, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Alright. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box is always a 5. Okay. The inside box of the L shape. More quadra boxes? Let me check. No. Then, my following strategy, the next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Do we have more T-shapes? Yeah. Here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. More? Yeah. Another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Then, my next shape. How about the L shape? We have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. L shape. Here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Here another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. Here what? This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 2. It's connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. It's also connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. Then Do it more? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Where you see this kind of shape. Remember that this box is the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Alright. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1. And the 5, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area from the numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be and a 1 goes there. This box can be 1, this box can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Yes. 2 numbers left now in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Well, we have a 2 there, so it can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3, and that box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box should be so 3. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be down. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be down. Let me think. Come on. Well, 1, 2, 4, 3, or 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box, so 3 or 5. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 and more. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so we saw 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. Then let me see. Come on. Yeah, I need to think. Come on. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Well. Yeah. 3 or 1. I'm thinking. These 2 boxes can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there then. Okay. Well, now this box can be a 3, but also these two boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this area is supposed to be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 no more. That box will be a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area. One was 3. And the 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 4 goes there. This box can be 3. Oh, wait. We already have a 3 here. Mark those two boxes with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, so 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes and there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes and there. And now, I think this box will be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely 5 is connected with that box, should be so 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there, is connected with that box, should be so 5. Then, this box can be a 1, this box can be a 3, so the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers. Oh, no. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 3 and the 4. Is connected with that box 3 and 4. Is also connected with that box 3 and 4. Well, this box can be 1s, and this box can be 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Yeah, let me think. That means that we have a double 1 there. That means that those two boxes can be 1. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4. And the no, not a 3 and a 4. We already have a 4 there. This box should be a 3. Because we have a 4 already. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. Is also connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Yeah. And now, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. These two boxes can be 3. These two boxes can be 4. So 3 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Well, this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so 3. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Can be a 4, we have a 4 in the same area. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be, and the 2 goes there. And then this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area, supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there, so 1 number left in this area for number 4, finished in 14 minutes. Well, I thought it was a hard one, but it's not the 4, not the 4. 3, not a 2. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Friday. Yes. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.